tornado sirens in Omaha. Alright folks, it is now 7:18 in Omaha. Tornado warning sirens are still going. The wind is picked up, so the gust front is moving through. A little bit of rain coming, and according to local radio, TV stations, the rain is west of here. I'm running low on battery here, and now we have hail. So there's some hail that is preceding the rain intermittently. And if I was on the national weather news, I'd say the rain is falling and the hail is falling, because I don't know what else rain or hail does. But for our purposes, we're just going to say that the rain is beginning to pick up. There has been intermittent hail. You can see off into the distance there the rain front. Some intermittent lightning. And we will keep this going for as long as we can here on Omaha's Res Ipsa Omaha Barbecue Weather Central. And you can see the rain. Let me see if I can zoom that in for you. For those of you that are at home, we hope you're home safe, but we're out here taking plenty of risks just to present this to you. You can see the wind moving through, and now we have rain picking up. And according to Jim Flowers, the rain is falling now, more intently. I'm just going to say it's falling or raining. And I have my assistant meteorologist, Stacy Paskert, here assisting me with the video. So if this is the last words you hear from us, know that we were trying to bring you up-to-date emergency weather advisories. Oh yeah, here it comes. Not sure how long I can stay out here, folks. I'll do my best. It is really raining. I'm going to have to change shirts. And I'm going to shut this off right now to try and preserve some power and bring back later with better lightning coverage.